Started with a question, turned it into code. Learned it through the failures, built it on the road. Every late night, every error, every time we tried again, made us sharper, made us stronger, made us ready for what's next. Data moving, ideas growing, new doors open every day. We are not here just to learn it, we are here to lead the way. We learn, we build, we break through BricksNotes. We build what's next, from data to AI. We rise, we connect. BricksNotes turn skills into impact. Learn it, build it, prove it, and never look back. One lesson can spark something, one project can change a path. One skill can open a doorway you never knew you had. From the first SQL query to pipelines running at scale, from Spark to Databricks, from learning how to fail. We don't memorize the future, we build it. We don't wait for opportunity, we create it. We don't stop at knowing, we do it. Because knowledge becomes powerful when you turn it into something.